Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have banked good profit today. Today was amazing volatility. Even yesterday we had amazing volatility after the FOMC meeting. Yes, sorry guys, I haven't uploaded my yesterday analysis review because we were busy banking profit after FOMC meeting. So let me share with you how I did today and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4 hour yesterday after the FOMC meeting, we had this beautiful long trade here. Our bias was long from here since we explained if the price gonna stay above this level, we are expecting a long trade here. Yesterday we had a beautiful long trade bank, beautiful pips. Today, as explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect after this breakout, then we're expecting a long, and if the price is going to develop a false breakout, then we keep taking a pullbacks. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward, beautiful. So this morning, as you can see here, just before London Open, we have this price nicely broken, as explained to my trader. Look here. As soon as the price broken this, that's what I explained to my trader. So after this breakout pullbacks, and we're expecting all these pullbacks because the momentum was developed bearish, we had this false breakout at this level. So after that, you can see have one pullback, beautiful pullback, all these pullback. As long as the momentum is bearish, we have taken all this pullback short trade here. And at the New York session, pretty straightforward. As said to my trader, as long as the price stay below this previous high, recent high, we're going to take all these pullbacks here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this one after the breakout retest, then long here. So you can see here momentum was bearish, so we have taken all these pullbacks. Beautiful. As soon as the price start developing a double bottom, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we did such a beautiful trade here. So tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to break this. Then tomorrow you can see we have non-farm payroll. And if the price is gonna break, then we keep taking a short trade here, break here, long here. So you can see here price already developed a false breakout, so technically looking another pullback. We'll let you know tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. Even now we missed this because I just closed my trade. But if you look at here right now, we have inverted head and shoulder pattern. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, that was a beautiful breakout long trade here, because we look at the patterns and then we look at this is the entry. I can see the momentum was developing bullish here, so we have this long trade here. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you the pound dollar. Beautiful trade here, guys. We had it at the FOMC meeting. We had this beautiful long trade here, beautiful. And today we had high impact news for the cable. That was the interest rate. As you can see here, that's basically as soon as the price broken, we have taken all these pullback short trade here. And during the speech, we avoid taking a trade. We are only taking a trade once the price broken this one. And let me share with you the entries and exit, how we did in intraday analysis. Okay, so as you can see here, let me share with you. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, as explained to my trader, once the price reverse and develop a false breakout at this level, that's what I explained to my trader. As you can see here with the live analysis, also mentioned if the price is going to break and retest, otherwise we just keep taking a pullback short trade here. We have this pullback short trade here, bank some PBs as soon as the price develop low high, as you can see here in intraday. So we had this counter trade. As I said to you guys, we are a counter trade too. Take counter trade in trades as well. As you can see here, that was a beautiful breakout previous high, bank beautiful PPs, and after that we have taken another short trade here, because once we look at how the price is respecting it, as was another beautiful counter long trade here. After that, you can see here the price respected this level, beautiful breakout short trade here, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous low. After this banking some pips, as explained to my trader, price broken this one, so expecting here another pullback here. So you can see here price nicely developed based on this analysis. You can see with the previous analysis, bank some profit. After banking some profit, we broadcast another analysis, look, another pullback at this level, which you can see here. Price develop another pullback, another pullback, another deep pullback. So mainly we were focused on the short trade here. As you can see here, based on this analysis, we have another beautiful short trade here. So you can see here we have taken all the short trade here, bank beautiful pips today on pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. We had an amazing trade on dollar CAD too. We had a bank this morning. That was the FOMC meeting. We had such a nice yesterday, bank beautiful pips. Today pretty straightforward. If you look at, guys, in 4 hour, we have this bullish engulfing candle, and the price initially respected the support level, and we have taken all these pullback. Let me share with you the entries and exit. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, this morning we had this pretty straightforward. Price develop a side, a downside channel pattern. So we were looking here this breakout. This morning we had a price develop momentum bullish, and we have bullish engulfing candle in 4 hour. That was the beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pretty straightforward, momentum is bullish, beautiful, another pullback, banking beautiful pips. And at the New York session, pretty straightforward. You can see, guys, we're always looking a pullback based on the momentum. We only look short if the price break the recent low and retest. As you can see here, price nicely beautiful. You can see respected here, momentum was bullish. That was a pullback. We also announced another pullback here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high in 4 hour, that's what explained over my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Alright, guys, as you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze the entries and exit in intraday, and banking pips every single day. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where we train people with the live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once the trader develop during the practice, produce consistency results, we can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train trader with the live market every single day, my availability, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys, join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.